Yes, this is Aba. So is this and this. But the question most people have been asking me since these images surfaced online is this really Aba? And does Aba truly have 24 hours power supply? On Monday, the 26th of February 2024, the geometric power plant located in Osisioma Industrial Layout, Aba, was commissioned. As an integrated power project, Aba will generate, transmit and distribute her own power. This means that the city will now enjoy 24 hours power supply. This will enable businesses operate 24/7 while residents of the city will enjoy power in their homes, as electricity is the backbone of every thriving society and economy as it drives in productivity and industrial growth. I took these pictures few days ago while in Aba. I shared them on Twitter and a lot of people were of the opinion that this is not Aba. According to them, Aba is here to start experiencing 24 hours power supply, as the geometric power plant that was recently commissioned are here to start distributing electricity. But nowhere in my tweet did I mention that Aba has 24 hours power supply. I only tweeted that this is Aba, the Enyimba city at night. So yes, these are unedited footages of the city of Aba at night. What you are seeing might be as a result of street lights, generator or NEPA as we call it. Let's imagine for a second that the geometric power plant are here to start distributing electricity in Aba and the city is looking like this. How do you think it will look when they start? Now let's go back to the question. Does Aba now have 24 hours power supply? According to information available regarding the power supply by the geometric power plant Aba, here are some of the information explaining the power supply process. The independent power producer includes the 188 megawatts terminal plant in Osisioma Industrial Layout and the Aba Power Electric Company, set up to distribute power to the Aba Ring Fence area, which comprises of 9 local government areas out of the 17 local government areas that make up Abia State. These local government areas include Aba North and Aba South, Osisioma Ngwa, Ngwa, Isiala Ngwa North and Isiala Ngwa South, Ugwu-na-Abo, and Okwa East and Okwa West. Commercial electricity supply to 9 local government areas began few days ago with the release of 7 megawatts, and each week 7 megawatts will be added until the commissioning phase is over. In a bid to enhance transparency and integrity to service delivery to its customers, the company has embarked on an aggressive mass metering campaign in addition to the one initiated by the federal government. The company said that the prepaid meter would, in line with National Electricity Regulatory Commission, be made available for free of charge to individuals and businesses. According to people and information coming from people in the city of Aba, some parts of the city have started enjoying steady power supply, and in no time, the entire Aba city ring fence area will start enjoying steady light. Aba will be alive again. See you in my next video.